Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And today's video we're gonna be reacting to episode 10 of Game Boy.
I wonder if they're finally meeting and kissing and cuddling and all that.
My teeth are so white.
Right?
In this lighting.
My t-shirt is
Or is it because
white.
I'm so tan? And we haven't reacted to it. Sorry you guys, we're late. We're always the late ones because busy. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Game.
Okay, your timer starts now.
They're playing.
Oh,
Category is movie.
of course.
English.
Oh my god.
May kinalaman sa amin.
They get so very creative.
Gaga? Siya nga ba tayo?
Mali ba?
Ilang words ba?
3 words.
They get so very creative with all
Ano?
this
Kasi
game.
oras,
It's
oh.
like
Ano yan, baliw?
Ay!
Facelift.
Alam ko na!
Miss Universe.
Crazy Beautiful You!
Yung!
What movie is that?
Oh.
Sabi ko na eh! My favorite Cat BL movie!
Oh,
Okay,
Catherine
ikaw
Bernardo
yung
maybe?
next. Ready?
Okay, let's see.
Timer starts now! Category
Pocahontas.
song.
Oh.
I will always love
Morissette Amon. I will
you.
always love you, he said.
Travel
Crazy in love.
Crazy in Love,
Wow!
Beyonce.
Alam mo, wala
No,
ka talaga
no.
pinapalampas sa
So-
opportunity
to the left.
naman din,
To the
no?
left.
Ganun talaga. Every land is a
He's
blessing.
traveling. He's coming to Italy.
Alam ko
Oh, yan na, ganun na yung baby
yan.
ko.
Goodbye forever.
Tapos na. Game.
May
Me?
kinalaman sa'yo?
Baby, goodbye.
I love you, goodbye. Where do broken hearts go? Bleeding love?
Ano ko lagyan sa baby ko?
Wala, ano.
Someone
songs on
like
top
you.
of my
Someone
head
like
lang.
you. Oh, 24 seconds. Traveling to you.
Ano yan?
Goodbye.
Oh my god, is he gonna go to him?
Bye-bye, love.
Man.
Ay! Alam ko na sobrang obvious na eh. Living on a jet plane.
Cause I'm leaving.
Galing mo talaga, Pearl.
Ako pa ba?
Teka.
That
Ano
voice
connect dun sa
crack.
baby ko? Ano connect dun sa'yo, baby?
Ano kasi,
Are these all songs?
wala naman siya sinabing may connect sa kanya eh. Ang sabi niya, focus
Wait.
sa kanya. Ay,
Subtitles
Focus
are
on
so
me.
hard to read in this one.
They're so small. I don't know
No,
why
there
they're
was
so
the
small.
underlayer that I couldn't see. So many, 18,000. I wish it was only 18,000 cases.
That's
Oh
a
my god,
lot.
I'm so excited for
oh
tomorrow.
my God,
Are
I'm
they
so
gonna see
excited
each
for
other?
tomorrow.
Ooh.
What's tomorrow?
Tulog kayo ng
Pearls,
maaga, ha?
babes. I love it.
I love how they have a good
Okay
time.
po, Mayora.
Can't wait!
Mas excited ka pa sa amin, Pearl.
Hey, baby. Hi, baby.
Did you know that they only filmed using iPhones?
Oh, is that iPhone?
Sarap talaga
Yeah.
paligyan
I love the mug that he was
Cell
drinking.
phone.
Sa'yo? Alam mo kung ano mas masarap? Ito!
Pancit
Oh,
Canton! I love! Fabio hates it.
Talaga ako para bukas. Magkikita na tayo. Hindi na ako makatulog eh.
Oh, they're seeing
Oo
each
nga.
Oh,
other
he can't sleep.
tomorrow.
But that's not a good idea to eat
Sakto lang.
like that before a date, you know?
Kung nagplano na itong lahat ng to eh.
Siyempre, mamaya di
Get
ka
your
naman
mind
makarating
off
dyan
the
eh.
gutter.
Sabi ka na rin sa akin.
Wala ka nga dyan.
Ooh. He's
Wait,
like,
kailan
whatever.
pala start ng classes nyo?
Bakit?
Oh, right.
What class?
Hindi ko alam.
Classes. People go to class,
Imagine mo na rin
Fabio.
siguro.
Oh, they're so young. I forgot.
Wala na naman.
People go to school.
Siyempre, pag graduate na ako, mag-work na ako, tapos pagkagaling ko sa work, paghahanda mo ko ng dinner. Tapos tatanungin mo kamusta
Like a real
Yung mag-stay sa
couple
bahay.
living together. Like me and Fabio. He goes to work, he comes home, he cooks for me,
Tapos,
and I eat.
siyempre, galing ka sa work, sasalubong
And he does literally zero.
Tapos, massage ko nagod mo kasi pagod ka galing sa work eh.
Lakas. Parang sira. Hoy, pwede kasi pareho tayo mag-work, di ba?
Sabi ko na, ini-imagine mo na rin eh.
Hindi. Ang sinasabi ko lang, pwede kasi nating parehong gawin yan.
Oh, that's cute. So they're making,
Pareho tayong
they're putting
working
kind of like,
husbands.
Working husbands.
Pero,
That's what it
syempre,
should
dapat
be.
sa
No,
pareho
Yup.
tayong
equality.
loving husbands.
Yan ka na naman eh. Fans ka na naman mag-isip. Di ba tinatanong
too
ko lang
far
kung
ahead.
kailan start ng
'Cause
classes?
let's not forget, he's
Ganun
moving
talaga,
away.
Baby. Tapos, baby, syempre,
Oh, right. I forgot about that.
Oh my god, he told him, sorry, we can't get married in Taiwan, he said.
It's legal in Taiwan.
Damn.
It's legal in Taiwan. Taiwan
But
is I think it's the only Asian country that's legal for
Yeah, but
LGBT
he's
people
already
to get
talking
married.
about marriage, and they haven't even met.
That's a red flag. Red flag! Do not date him.
Talaga yun, no? Oh, babe, excited talaga ako para bukas.
Oh, they're really seeing each other. What is he doing? Oh, this is a nice edit.
It's very cute.
At least he's making
course,
money with,
sucks.
you know, with all his gaming. Cereal. Unhealthy,
Blending banana.
healthy. Unhealthy breakfast, healthy breakfast. Oh shit. Wait, are they actually gonna see each other? They can't. It's
They-
quarantine.
Very nice body. No, they said that they lifted quarantine. How many t-shirts does he have?
Oh, they lifted quarantine?
Are you kidding me?
That used to be me, you guys, but we are into minimalism now. Minimalism. Minimalism.
Animalism.
Oh, wow. Body goals.
For real.
Just wear something simple. I don't
Ginawa
like.
ng baby ko.
Look how many shoes he has.
Kulero.
Jesus.
Oh, hindi ah.
They get ready together on
Parang
FaceTime.
aga mo yata mag-prepare. Maalis pa lang ako dito, dadaan pa ako doon sa isang ospital.
Oh, he's
Sige
gonna
na tayo.
go to
Ayaw
her.
nga kasing nalilate. Hoy, Gav. Mag-iingat ka.
He's going
Oo
to the
naman,
hospital.
baby.
Yeah, wear a mask.
Alam mo, hindi naman ako bababa ng car eh. Di-deliver ko lang yung meals para sa frontliners, tapos yung sa
Ah,
staff.
he's doing
si Kuya yung
good.
bahala. Okay?
He's doing good
Okay.
things.
Tapos baby, yung ano pala.
Gav.
Oh, he froze.
Hello. Uy, Gav. Ano naman nangyari? Wala.
Baby, nawalan ako ng internet. Alis na rin naman ako rito eh.
That's the reality
See
in the
you.
Philippines.
Yup. Even here, big struggle sometimes.
Nap ka
So
muna.
cute. So they'll finally see each other. Oh my god, are they gonna kiss?
I think that's gonna be
Get your
awkward
beauty
though,
sleep.
because all their relationship is all online.
Yeah, I think they're just gonna hug like this.
Pearl.
Hoy, Boylet, ano ba? Anong petsa na, no? Kanina ka pa namin tinatawagan.
Ha?
That high voice in the morning though.
Did he oversleep?
Napasarap yata tulog ko.
Ay, sabi nga ni
Oh,
Gab,
now
eh,
his
paano ba
hair
naman
is
kasi hanggang
messy.
3 AM magkausap pa kayo, yan tuloy.
Teka, nasan daw ba siya?
Oh,
Nasa ospital na, pasunod na nga din ako eh.
Okay, sige, punta na ako.
Hoy, teka! Ang gulo-gulo ng buhok mo, ang gusot-gusot pa ng damit mo, maghilamos
Comb your
ka
hair.
na.
yeah, at
Teka
least
nga.
brush it
Sige,
quickly.
wait lang.
Okay.
Oh god.
Uy,
Oh,
paalis
geez,
na ako,
changed
teka.
outfit.
Okay lang,
He
baby.
showered again.
Balit ka pa ng damit ha. Relax ka lang, baby. Hinihintay ko pa rin yung second batch na food na prepare namin. Kulang pa rin dala ko eh.
Ha? Ganun?
Ganun.
Gav, may oras nandun sa pupuntahan natin ha. Tsaka pinayagan na nga lang tayo dun dahil kaibigan ni Papa yung nagbabantay eh.
Akong bahala, okay? Kakausapin natin yan.
He's always
Pero,
so
Wait,
nice.
Sige lang
London,
ako
the
saglit.
brother.
Dala ko yung kotse, balik din ako agad.
Laputik.
Oh, so he can't
baby, bakit?
leave.
Oh,
Sinamad daw kasi ni
I
Kuya
knew there
yung
was gonna
kotse.
be a problem.
Nagpaalam na nga ako, nagagamitin ko yun. Kainis.
Gusto mo sundin na lang kita dyan?
Hindi. Wag na. Di ba may hinintay ka pa dyan? Saka baka mapalayo ka pa eh.
There's always a
Oh.
problem.
Sige,
I knew
naman
there's
daw
always
si
gonna be
Kuya
a
eh. Baka
problem.
babalik na rin
Because they
yun.
cannot meet.
Sige. Basta
Are
pag
they actually
matagalan,
gonna
magsabi ka lang ha.
come on.
Sundin na talaga kita dyan.
Wow.
Okay, sige.
So nasal.
What are these two hair strands though?
That's a look.
Kuya,
Kuya,
saan ka
saan
na?
ka na?
Oh wow, you said it perfectly.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo, di ba? Aalis ako.
Oh.
Inutusan ako ni Mama. Saan ka ba kasi pupunta?
Where are you going? He asked. Oh, to see a friend.
Magkita na kami ni Gav. Hala, shucks. Sorry. Ito na, cashier na ako. Abalang pila.
Oh.
Hoy, ano, hindi pa rin kayo magkasama?
Papunta na ako, kaso hindi pa dumarating
This is
si
a
Kuya eh.
struggle.
Siguro subukan ko mag-book ng Grab, no?
Yeah,
Okay lang,
big
baby. Sundin na
struggle.
lang kita dyan.
Sayang, baka hindi tayo umabot sa oras ng venue.
Oh,
Wait, is there an event?
sweet.
Sweet ang baby ko, ano?
Wait, they have a
Sweet
booking?
Yeah.
Siyempre. Halata naman na gusto mo maging special yung first natin.
Oh,
Gabriel,
Gab, what's happening?
baby.
Hoy, huwag ka magbiro ng ganyan
Baby,
ah.
uy, ano ba? Baby,
Gab, I swear.
It's okay. It was just a. I know. I do it all the
Sarap talaga
time.
pakinggan pag galing sa'yo, baby.
Gab, what the hell?
tik naman. Kung nalang biro, hindi na
oh
nakakatuwa.
my god, that scared me.
Hindi ako nagbibiro ha. Naplatan kasi ako ng group kaya bumagsak yung phone ko.
Oh, he got a flat tire. I can tell he's filming with an iPhone.
Ne. He's
Tayo.
screwed.
Oh,
So, Karma
God, you're
is
okay.
really being.
Ikaw lang, pinag-alala mo na naman kami.
A bitch?
Ma,
Why?
well, they can
Kaya nga,
only
tinabi ko
look
pa
at that.
tong
What did he
Shit,
do for
sorry
it to
na.
be a karma?
Yung kanagkan niya.
No, I'm saying
Alam mo na
in
ako
general, the
pinapahirapan.
universe.
Oh baby, bakit ka naman mahirapan?
Excuse
Hala
me.
mo ba madali itong gagawin ko?
Bakit? Alin ba hindi madali?
I'll let you boys talk, ha? Bye.
What's going on?
Bye, Pearl. So they have to
Bakit?
talk.
He's gonna tell him the news that he's
Well,
moving
come
to the
on.
mountains.
You cannot tell him over the phone. You were gonna see him today. You're all freshen up and
The name of the city is Bukidnon. Bukidnon in English means mountains. The mountainous.
the mountainous.
He's going to the mountains.
There, he's about to cry, like every episode.
Wait, wait.
Gusto ni Mama lumipat na kami sa bukid na.
Just like that.
Parang wala ka naman sinabi na sa akin na ganyan, baby. Pero bakit parang ang bilis naman?
Kapag nagkita tayo, doon ko sana sabihin sa'yo.
Ne.
Sure na ba yan?
That is so wrong. That is so wrong, Cairo. That's a whole type of wrongs because you're putting expectation on Gabriel. And Gabriel's expecting that you're finally going to see each other, you're going to be happy, you're going to be together, and then you're going to give him the opportunity to just be happy for 1 minute,
Yeah.
and then you're just going to leave him and go to the mountains.
There we go.
Paisip niya
Whole
naman
types of
yan.
wrong.
Kapag pwede na kami mag-book ng flights. Kapag pumayag na yung bukid doon, LGU, gusto ko kasi talaga ni Mama lumipat na kami doon.
Ne.
So papanatag daw siya.
She feels safer there.
Ikaw ba, baby?
Nakakainis ka. Kasi napalapit na ako sa'yo eh.
And then they're going to be so far apart from each other.
Oh wow, that
Wow, the
tear.
tear. I saw that.
Nahulog na ako sa'yo. Excited na ako sa mga plano natin.
How do you fall in love with someone you
Sanay
haven't
na
met?
sanay na ako sa'yo. Sanay na ako sa'yo, Gab. Na araw-araw kitang kausap, na araw-araw kitang sinusungitan.
Baby, pwede mo pa rin naman ako sungitan eh. Pwede naman wala magbago kung hayaan mo lang ako. Alam ko, malayo yung bukid doon, pero pag-ipunan ko, mapuntahan lang kita. Gusto mo sundan na kita doon eh.
Oh wow.
Hindi, wag. Nandito yung buhay mo. Ayoko maging selfish.
Anong
Oh my
selfish
god,
doon?
this is me and Fabio. We had to make a decision before where we're gonna live. Because he's from Italy, I'm from Canada. It's like, if he moves to Canada, there's a lot of pressure on him and he doesn't know what to do in terms of work. His life is here and my life is in Canada, but now that we do YouTube, it's fine. So my advice is do YouTube.
Sama mo lang yan ngayon.
Open up your YouTube channel.
Hindi ako sumugal para sa'yo, baby.
That sucks.
Naman ako.
You guys are
Sugal.
young.
Hindi kasi ito
There's a
sugal.
lot of future ahead of you.
Hindi na
Don't
tayo
worry.
naglalaro dito.
I wonder if he
Gav.
holds an onion underneath the screen to cry. Probably.
Gav!
Gav. Ne. Ndacho. She's
Oh.
calling. Gabriel.
Fab, you get into the moment. What the fuck onion you're talking about?
Ano kaya nangyari dun?
What happened to him? Not answering anymore.
Oh my god.
Tuloy pa kaya yun? Kita pa ba kami?
Oh shit.
Pearl, tinawagan ka na ba ni Gav?
Hindi pa rin eh. Palagay ko nasira yung phone nun, di ba bumagsak kanina? Ay, huwag ka masyado mag-alala.
Broke his
Saan na kaya
phone.
yun? Siraan pa na sasakyan, bisit. Hindi na siguro tutuloy yan.
Ano ka ba? Marunong magpalit ng gulong yun, no?
Paano kung nagbago isip niya?
Alam mo, ikaw talaga, Boylet. Ang
Baka
dami-
ayaw niya na ako makita, Pearl.
Oh my
Paano
god.
rin naman kasi ako makakapunta doon, di ba? Ang tagal-tagal ni Kuya eh. Haba-haba doon ng pila sa grocery. Ano, masakyan ko.
Oh my
Come
god.
on, these struggles
Galit pa
though, you guys.
He hurt
Parang
him.
disappointed siguro, naalis na ako. Pakisabi na lang sa kanya, salamat na lang sa lahat, ha?
Ano, tapos ka na. Tapos ka na. Alam mo, ikaw talaga, sobrang drama queen
Yes,
mo.
Pearl.
Magkikita kayo,
You
kasi kung
tell
hindi
him.
man, sayang naman yung pagpunta ko, no?
Huh?
Why is she going to
You
the...
mean?
I'm on my
Is
way!
that meeting together?
I'll see you in 10 minutes, okay? Mag-freshen up ka na.
Hindi na, Pearl.
Again,
Huwag na, huwag
freshen
na.
up 3 times
Nakakaya,
already
huwag na.
today.
Hoy, Boylet!
The third freshen
Pagpunta na
up.
ako sa'yo. Huwag mong antayin kalad ka rin
Pearl
ginagawas
is
ng
always
kondo
the
mo,
savior.
Oo,
Pearl,
tuloy mo
whatever
na.
something
Abangan mo
happens
sa
goes
lobby, ah.
wrong, Pearl is always there
Yeah.
to lighten up the day.
Come on, Cairo. A little bit of talco
Oh, that's
powder
a
will
nice,
do.
that's a nice color, red and blue.
Very nice actually.
Oh. Is that Pearl?
Oh my god, I have the feeling
They're together. They're together.
Yeah, I have the feeling Gabby's not gonna be there. He's gone.
This is Manila.
Wow.
We haven't been this year. 'cause they're
Kinakabahan
older.
ako.
Normal lang yan.
Paano pag di siya dumating?
So they
Then
weren't really
he's an
together,
idiot.
were they?
What's she saying?
Paano kapag walang magic? Di ba
But
sabi
they're
mo,
not together.
My story is different from yours, okay?
baka magbago isip niya. Baka ayaw niya na sa akin.
Ha? Alam mo, dahil mo nga, Nash, no?
Oh my god, they're finally gonna see each other.
Oh my god, he's there.
Oh my God, siya niyan! Siya niyan! Siya niyan! Siya niyan!
Go.
Ay, gaga! Hindi humarap ka!
Oh my god, is he gonna cry?
Flip mo yung camera.
Oh,
Gusto
he's
ko makita si
crying.
Gab.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, they're finally seeing each other with the flowers! Oh my god, Wi-Fi! Our Wi-Fi is low.
Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna leave you guys, ha? Okay, bye!
Bye, bye,
Thanks,
Pearl.
Pearl.
Guys, our
I'm
Wi-Fi.
proud of you, baby boy!
Oh.
Baby boy. Oh, of course!
Why don't they
I
put
love
Moira
the
when-
music.
There they go. He even bought flowers.
There's a slow-mo. No, I'm actually so excited for
Oh my
this.
god, what if a car runs over them now?
There's a car that's gonna run over them. Oh, that's a nice shot.
Oh, look at them, they're meeting in the middle. Change color grading.
Oh, that's a nice shot.
Stop, he said.
Bitch, this Wi-Fi. Why is this Wi-Fi so slow? Oh my god, they're together.
But they cannot hug because it's distance, 1 meter
Hey,
distance.
baby!
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Live.
Mas masarap pala marig sa personal yan.
Bulero.
Hindi totoo yun. Ba't ka umiiyak?
Bakit? Ikaw rin naman ah.
They're all crying.
Tears of joy. Siyempre, sa wakas kasama ko na yung mahal ko.
Oh my gosh,
Mahal mo?
he's so in love.
Wala nang iba.
Oh wow.
And then they're gonna be apart.
Wow, so much
O ba't masalo
crying.
ko umiiyak? May nasabi ba ako masama, baby?
Wala, may napatunayan lang ako.
Na ano, mas gawa pala ako sa personal.
Gago!
They haven't touched yet.
They
Hindi.
haven't.
They haven't even hugged.
Nothing, they're taking it very slow.
Patanayan ko totoo nga yung nararamdaman.
Very slow. Not even high five.
Not even elbow to elbow.
Mahal din kita.
Wow, he's crying, girl.
Oh, baby, ba't ka mas lalo umiyak dyan?
Hindi kasi ito yung na-imagine ko eh. Ala ko, pagtatabuyan mo ko.
Sira ka talaga. Sabi mo,
Wow.
subukan ako, di ba? O ito. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano mangyayari sa atin
Maybe
kung
not in the middle of the
kung
street
mag-work
of this
ba to?
Why are they
conversation.
talking in the middle of the street first of all?
kasi totoo lang. Takot ako eh.
I'm afraid. Well, I'd be afraid
Ito,
if I were
lahat
you.
na to.
Right there.
Ngayon ko lang ba naramdaman? Ngayon lang.
Oh.
Kaya naninibago pa ako.
This is so new, he said.
Pero ngayon,
No?
I'm so happy for them.
pahig ako sumugal.
To take a risk. Oh my god.
Yes,
Mas hindi
always
ko
take
yata
a risk
kayang
in
mawala ako.
relationship.
Taka na to ah. Hindi na tayo naglalaro.
Yes. Come
Ano naman
on.
magtatanong?
What question? Will you
Would you
marry
be
me?
my baby?
Will you
be my baby?
will you marry me? Wait, why is the Wi-Fi so damn slow, Fabio?
It is because the storm is coming.
It's because it's 4K. We can't afford 4K.
Okay.
Pass or play?
Faster play.
Late.
Or
Late.
or
Kiss him from the mask. Kiss him from the mask. Kiss him. Pass.
Play.
Oh.
play. Oh, the way he said it. Play. Oh, the way he said it was perfect. Perfect.
This violence, girl. Okay, now what? Are we moving from the middle? No!
No! Why is it ending? But did you notice? They're setting a good example because they haven't touched.
They haven't touched.
They're taking their relationship way very
Very
slow.
Very
Very slow.
very. 10 episodes over the phone, video call,
And then
and
finally,
then slowly they met 3 steps away from each other. But they're still talking about marriage already.
but
okay?
it's so cute. Okay, you know, it's cute this show. Oh, but why did it end that way? At least they could have shake hands.
Or maybe no shake hands, no, because you cannot touch.
Moisturizer.
But maybe a quick elbow bump.
How are they? What are they gonna do?
And I hope they're gonna move away from the middle of the street, but
That's true.
we'll see. Maybe like a takeaway coffee.
That's true.
Like,
And go
he
for a
bought-
walk. At
he-
least go for
Yeah.
a walk. You know.
He bought flowers. That means he took
But
them somewhere.
this is a show, and they wanna make it more real, more romantic.
It's beautiful. I just cannot wait for them to kiss.
They can't.
Well,
That will
eventually-
be episode 50, which is next year. Because COVID.
Season 4. Just wait, you guys.
Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.
Bye.